You know what? Conversation can start with almost anything.
Make it wholesome because we can easily turn it into a very unwholesome conversation. Pay
Background
attention the
music.
fragments that they're using or things like that.
I love you.
Ay, mga dito si Nancy Binay, kamag-anak ko talaga siya. Di ba, may kamag-anak kayo si Nancy dito, di ba? No? Hindi ka naman insulted, ha?
Before invite us, so can I ask you some questions about yourself?
Sure.
This is related about your DOST scholarship. First question is, what brought you here, or who was the one introduced to you the DOST scholarship?
So for us, it's a compulsory to take the USD exam. It is our advisor and our curriculum head that introduced us to the USD scholarship. All of us will be introduced and will be compulsory take the test. And how about you? What you do?
What
Well,
brought
this
you here?
DOST scholarship, for me, it was first introduced by Wilfred Lawrence Labuson, my sister's childhood friend, and he also made me or gave me a background about this, and because my tito also or my uncle is a DOST scholar and he's an engineer.
So what's the feeling about being the USD scholar?
Well, I'm very proud of it, and also, but I was challenged of this because we have a cut-off grade which is 2.5. And how about
For me, it's a great privilege to be a USD scholar, and I think it's a big title for me to handle, and I think the pressure is on me for me and to get high grades. And for you, what is the limitations for you in this scholarship?
Well, I don't think about many limitations, but for me, those limitations are just not only beyond myself, but also for other people, because I know this college is we are bounded with many responsibilities like cutting off or lessen out our time, going out with friends, and that's all. How about you?
So for me, it's the pressure of getting high grades and for time management because I don't take my time seriously and don't use it wisely. So for me, I will be more mature. I think I will become more mature because of this scholarship. And I think I can be the best of me because of this scholarship too. So,
Okay. Let's give it a hand.
Guys.